Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Sundrial, well now Sakshi Sundrial Tripathi, and I am uploading my YouTube video after years, I guess. But this was one of the most requested question, one of the most requested video for years, and I have been sort of procrastinating on it. So people have been asking me about my hair care. What's my hair care routine? How do I keep my hair healthy? And to be honest, for years मुझे खुद नहीं पता था how do I feel about my hair. So I'll start by giving you a background of my hair, how my hair has been throughout the years and how did I manage them. And my hair type was long, wavy, to some extent curly and frizzy hair. They were unmanageable. Of course, Mama used to manage them somehow, but I've always had very thick hair, touch wood. But yes, it did get me bullied. And then ever since I entered my teenage, I guess I've been trying to figure out how do I fix my hair or how do I manage my hair. And it took me years, and honestly I'm still trying to figure it out, but to some extent I have figured it out, and I'm pretty satisfied with how my hair look now and how my hair feel now. And I would like to share all of it finally today because you guys have been asking it for years. I can't recall how many Instagram DMs I've got about my hair care routine. Ki, please post something around it. What do you use, etc., etc. So finally this is the video for you. I've moved to this Indie Wild Chumpy oil. I do Chumpy like once a week, maybe on Friday evening or Saturday night or something, and then wash the hair either the next day or the same day. It completely depends. But the one trick I use is to warm the oil before I use it. So I don't use it as it is. I either warm it up or I also sometimes add a little bit of coconut oil to it or hibiscus flower to it. That's all. Nothing fancy, nothing too much. Talking about the shampoo I use, so I've grown up using what? Clinic Plus, L'Oreal, Tresemme, and Tresemme has worked pretty well for me, to be very honest. But now I use this. This is Kerastase Paris Genesis version, and Isika conditioner B I use, which is this one. So this Kerastase Genesis is, I feel, is quite soft on my hair. It is not harsh. It does do a good cleanup. And talking about the conditioner again, it works pretty well for me, gives me nice hair, nice and soft and manageable hair. And also, to be very fair, to be very honest with you, this has worked on the hair loss. So when I got married, I moved to Bombay from Delhi, and I experienced hair loss. And it is said ki, when you when you move cities, you do face hair loss issues. That was happening, and it was scary. It scared me like anything. तो फिर I decided to actually do something about it. I tried some bonds, I tried some remedies, remedies. Nothing really worked for me. But then I read about this shampoo to be effective, and it really proved to be effective. So a little bit on the pricier side, but good if you are facing hair loss, hair fall. And yes, it did wonders for me. It really came as a blessing in my life. The other thing that I focus on is hair masks. I don't know how do we pronounce this brand, but this is Fino. I purchased this when I was in Thailand, so very recently only, and it it worked really well. So this is the hair mask that I use once a week or whenever I wash my hair. This is the one hair mask that I use almost 90% of the times. The other one is the one I swear by. This is again, this is CER 100, and again something that I have started using very recently. It's a protein treatment, and it's beautiful. It again makes my hair so, because I just mentioned I have very dense and heavy hair. It makes me feel like my hair are so much more manageable and lighter. वो जो एकदम heaviness है ना, जो मुझे रोज फील होती है, I don't feel that with this hair mask. So very good. and available online as well, so you can check it out. I'll link all of these products below. The other hair mask that I use is K18. Yet another beautiful hair mask. I always buy iska travel pack because it is so much so I do keep juggling between Delhi and Mumbai, and it is so much easier to carry these. And whenever we go for a staycation or something, I don't want to carry those big bottles. So K18 is again a beautiful mask that has worked for me wonderfully. And this is the first mask that I have tried. Of course, pehle Dove ka try kiya hai, ye sab try kiya hai, but coming to a little bit premium range, this is the first mask that I tried after watching some Instagram reel, and it did work for me. So I swear by this mask. This one and CER 100, beautiful masks. These are unbeatable. Then the other thing I focus on is hair serums. So the first one I would like to show you is this Moroccan oil. I again buy the Chotu packets because they are so much easier to carry when traveling. This I started using this, I guess, 10 years back, and I've never ever let go of it after that. It works beautifully for me. After I blow dry my hair, I use this, and they are good to go for the entire day. The other hair serums that have worked for me is this one, L'Oreal. I mean, this is a decent hair serum. It's L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. So when I don't find anything else, I go for this one. Same as मतलब as a backup मैंने वो अपने लिए रखा हुआ है. Then we have this Treseme's Keratin Smooth Serum. Again, something that I use as a backup. And I have this Fino Premium Touch hair oil. This and Moroccan oil are the serums that I use on regular basis, and the other two were the backup ones. But these four are pretty good. So if you're looking for something very affordable range, may go for the L'Oreal or the Tresemme one. And थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाना है तो Philo one is for you. Fino is for you. And then if you want to go on a premium side, Moroccan oil is for you. This Tangle Teaser Ka comb, I purchased it when it was launched at Nika, I guess. I don't know how many years it has been, but this was a game changer for me. I still use it during shower when I want to detangle my hair before shampoo or before applying hair mask. It works really nicely, and it works on your hair loss as well, because when you generally comb your hair, बाल टूटते हैं, बाल निकलते हैं, but it detangles very smoothly. So there are very less chances of hair breakage or hair loss. So this is a very good investment that I did years back and still working really well for me. I almost forgot talking about this one. This is glycolic acid by Ordinary. I use it on my hair whenever I am expecting a build up or मौसम change हो रहा है and I know कि build up होने वाला है, or on in monsoons when there is quite humid out there. So it does clean the scalp. I put it on for like what, half an hour, and then I wash my hair. That's it. That's It's a game changer, to be honest. It prevents dandruff. It prevents scalp buildup. So pretty good investment if you want to do. Also, it helps on body में जो भी you have bumps, you have tanning, you have strawberry legs or something. This is a good investment for that as well. Well, I guess that is pretty much it that I use for my hair care now. And I really hope you'll find these products helpful if you have my hair type. And again, talking about hair styling part, I do straighten my hair once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks because I love straight hair. But in order to protect them from being damaged, I blow dry them mostly, which is again not a very healthy practice to do. But I use that Agaro's brush to blow dry my hair because otherwise it will be so much unmanageable. And to be very honest, I still don't like that very wavy texture of my hair that I have. So once I blow dry them, right after I take shower and when my hair is damp enough to blow dry, it sort of makes them manageable. So these are my blow dried hair right now. Um, Nothing too heavy, no heavy hairstyling or something, but very much manageable hair. And I really hope this video would turn out to be very helpful for you, and I'll be linking all these products in the description or somewhere. um, yep, then that's all. That's about it. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.